Daily Quran Reflection, Surah At-Tawbah, Surah 9, verse 12. Promises define trust, and trust builds peace. But what happens when promises are broken and truth is mocked? This verse reminds us that faith is not passive. It stands firm against betrayal and protects what is sacred. The verse 12, Sahih International. And if they break their oaths after their treaty and defame your religion, then fight the leaders of disbelief, for indeed there are no oaths sacred to them. Fight them that they might cease. Tafsir Summary, Ibn Kathir plus Jalalain. This verse addresses those who repeatedly violated treaties and openly attacked Islam. According to Ibn Kathir, it refers to leaders who not only broke agreements, but also encouraged hostility and mockery against the faith. Jalalain explains that such individuals showed no respect for their oaths, making them untrustworthy. The command here is not general aggression, but a response to persistent betrayal and harm, aiming to stop oppression and restore justice. Reflection. This verse teaches a powerful principle. Islam values peace, but not at the cost of dignity and truth. When agreements are honored, Muslims are commanded to uphold them. But when others repeatedly betray trust and attack what is sacred, standing firm becomes necessary. In our daily lives, this may not mean physical confrontation, but it does mean defending truth, setting boundaries, and not allowing others to disrespect our beliefs. Faith requires strength, not just in worship, but in character and conviction. Practical takeaway. Be a person of integrity, honor your promises, and do not tolerate repeated betrayal or disrespect. Stand firm with wisdom and patience. Closing. Reminder: Allah is just and all-knowing. He commands balance, mercy where it is due, and firmness where it is required. Dua, O Allah, grant us strength to uphold truth, patience in trials, and wisdom to act with justice. Protect our faith and keep our hearts firm upon your guidance. Ameen. If this reflection touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Quran reflections.